Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thank you for joining my channel. My name is Victor Sanchez. If you have not been on my channel, normally I post about building a house here in Mexico. But today, sometimes I decide to do things around and like to show what you can do here in Mexico, places you can visit. So today we're going to actually go visit a place called Tlaquepaque. It's a pueblo majico over here in Jalisco, close to Guadalajara. It's about a 34-mile drive and about maybe like an hour, 58 minutes to an hour drive. It's not that far. It's just there's traffic and stuff. So hopefully you guys like this video also. If you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up. Again, most of the time I'm talking about building homes and different construction ideas. I also like to share with you guys a little bit of things that you can do here in Mexico and Guadalajara, Chapala area. So thank you guys. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I'll see you guys over there in Tlaquepaque. Well, hey, we made it here to Tlaquepaque. I haven't been here for at least more than 30 something years. I remember coming here when I was a kid, but everything has either changed or been restored. And so right here I'm downtown, close to the where the cathedral is at. So we're gonna just give it a, we're gonna just walk around and I'll share with you guys what we find here. And the drive over here from Chapala to here was okay, most part, but it is kind of rough, like the roads and stuff like that. You have to really get used to the driving over here. So all right guys, so let's walk around and see what we see. I love coming to Pueblo Mágicos because they do such a good job to conserve the city. I just wanted to walk through here. My wife and my kids are over there. I think they're looking at silver and what they can buy, but look how beautiful this is. I love the trees and everything. Hello. See if we come in here in a little bit. Look at this place. Man, it looks so beautiful. Love the setting. Not sure what this place is called here. It's like a patio. It's amazing. Today's Tuesday, so I feel like it's on the empty side more because it's during the week than on the weekend. But you can see how just pretty this is right here. Kiosk. Look how cool it is. See if I can get a shot up here like this. Look at. Isn't that cool? Look at how it looks just out here in the city. This is right next to the church. So right here on this side, there's one church here, and then this other side, there's another church. So what a beautiful town this is. take a pause really quick and just talk about a little bit of what my experience has been. It's been really really awesome to see some of the European or the Spanish basically influence back when the Spanish used to be the majority of the conquerors here, and how that influenced really Mexico and how most of it's been restored. So I'm hoping you guys are liking what you guys are seeing. I'm going to keep walking and just experiencing the city now that it's been mostly restored to its original look, with obviously some modernization with coffee shops and just plenty of places to eat. So thank you guys for sticking around. I'm going to continue to walk, and hopefully you guys are enjoying this video, because I'm really enjoying this walk. So this ice cream, what, 55 pesos? Hi, babe. Galería El Dorado. It's pretty nice, huh? Oh, this is super cool. Huh? Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys have liked what is Tlaquepaque. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. Has a lot of coffee shops, places to eat, really nice decor, and basically how they restored everything. So I really liked it. So this is my crazy daughter here, Genevieve, and it's been a really nice experience. My wife isn't feeling too good today, so we're gonna probably cut this video short, but hopefully it's enough to give you guys just an overview of this town. So thank you guys. God bless you.